this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet, but I do throw in other videos here and there where I like to show off other items. Okay, grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet yarny talk. I am drinking, I believe I have hazelnut in this morning. This is my second cup of the day. Okay, so the thing that I'm working on is this scarf. Look at this. I think you guys are going to love this. I've chose to do 3 colors. I have a, it's navy and teal, and then a mauve pink color. And it's all big twist yarn right now. And then it's not really that soft, I would say. But once I wash this, it will be a lot softer. It's not as hard as Red Heart Super Saver yarn, but it's pretty close, but it's not as hard. Red Heart Super Saver yarn, most of it is just really hard to me. But you know, once you wash your project from using a Red Heart Super Saver, it comes out really, really soft. I mean, very nice. It's just like a big turnaround. Well, anyway, this one is just, it's like semi-soft. I don't know if it's just the stitch or what it is, but this is what I'm working on right now. So I've already recorded the tutorial. Only thing I have to do at the end is just add what I want to do on the row and then decide if I want to put fringe on this scarf or not. This will be a great scarf for, you know, Christmas is coming up and get ready started on those Christmas gifts. It's so easy to make. You guys are going to love it. And you can choose your own colors and stuff like that. So, and it's just, it's a, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 4-row repeat. And, but it's so easy. I mean, you get to where you don't even need to remember what the repeat is. You just do the rows. It's really that easy, guys. And the changing colors on there, I show you how to change the colors and everything. So, yeah, I was supposed to go to Joann's today, and that didn't work out. I was supposed to go with my sister Tanya, and then I guess her plans had changed, and she had some other errands that she had to do. So I may be going by myself to Joann's if I can get up and get around. I'm really enjoying crocheting on this scarf right here. Let's see. I need to add my teal color to that, so let me grab that yarn, and I'll work on this while we talk. So, yeah. Fasten off this color that I'm doing. I can't wait till this scarf is done. I just love multicolored projects, especially multicolored scarves. I just love them. And especially if you can get the right color combination. To give you an idea of how I come up with a lot of my colors, because that is one thing I am not good at, and that is, especially if it's 3 colors, to figure out what 3 colors go together. I just go on the internet and just kind of Google, you know, let's say if I know I want navy. I knew I wanted navy, but I just wasn't sure if I wanted like gray or what, you know, because gray goes with everything. But I didn't really want gray. I wanted something different. And so when I just go on the internet, and usually Pinterest will pop up. I don't know why I don't always just start with Pinterest, but usually Pinterest starts up. But you can go to, if you're on the internet, you can go to images and just type in, like I typed in, what 2 colors go with the color navy. And they give you all kinds of, especially if you go to image, you get all kinds of these little charts of colors combinations. And so I usually would just snapshot them, and then I go back to my photos, and I go through and find the color combinations that I can match the yarn up to the best. And this was one. I would never have picked teal to go with navy. I just wouldn't. But man, is it beautiful. I just love it. But I would not have known that if, you know, I didn't search. So all you guys out there that are really good at color combinations, it's not a big deal to you. But for me, it is major. It takes up way too much of my time when I'm trying to design a project. Okay, so I'm back on track now. I just had to see where I was at. And I've been running around being busy, doing laundry today. Oh yeah, my school starts Monday. I'm taking 3 classes, and so I'm excited of getting started on that. And let's see. Oh yeah, I had a few comments, and I'm hoping that you guys aren't, that it doesn't bother you that I do sponsored videos here and there, because guys, honestly, the way I look at it is, I mean, I'm just a average Joe out here, you know, crocheting, making a channel, trying to make a living. I'm a minister's wife, so I'm busy doing that. I'm in school. I have grandchildren. I have children. We have a matter of fact, we have my son's youngest son is turning 21. Well, he turned 21 yesterday, so we're having a big party here at the house tonight with all the family. And I'm just an average Joe living an average Joe life, doing life. But so when I have a company that contacts me and asks if they can send me a certain product and do a review on it, it depends on what the product is. And if it's something that I feel is useful in my lifestyle, I will say yes to that. I'll go and look at the product, look at the company, and if it's something that is useful to me, like, you know, I've done a treadmill. Well, you guys all know that I like to stay fit and active. And then a rowing machine, if it's something with crochet, you know, if it's something that I feel is useful that I can use, I will accept it and say, yes, I will do that. And I just, I know it seems like I've had a few comments where some of you guys are, I don't know, maybe a little aggravated with that. And I don't want to say I'm sorry for that, because I do enjoy doing that. And I'm not actually getting the product for free. I know, you know, people think that oh, well, you got a free treadmill. Well, no, I didn't. I got a treadmill, but I put 8 to 10 hours of work in that, between working with the company itself through emails. And then when you get the product in, you've got to record the unboxing. You've got to move things here, move things there, stop the record. And then you've got to go and find out all the specs, the dimensions, and all these things on all this product you're doing. You got to write it all down. You got to get your script going. Then you have to go into an app and edit the video. And then you've got to send it to the company, get approval, make sure it's okay. You know, and then wait for that to come back, and then so it's a lot of work. You actually are not getting anything for free. You are working your rear off for that product, and it is very time consuming. And so I just want to say that I hope you guys are enjoying those when I show those off, because I am working for those, and I only accept things that are useful to me with my life. I get I don't know, sometimes 3 or more requests a day in my email from companies, and the majority of them I turn down. But there are some that, like I said, if I find that it's useful for me and my lifestyle, I will accept it and do the work that's involved in that, of making that video. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you understand what that means when you do a sponsored video. It's sponsored, but you're working for it. Anybody out there that has ever accepted a sponsored product, you guys know what I'm talking about. It is very, very much work involved in that. So anyway, so that's what I've got going on now. I start some classes. I'm supposed to have hopefully all 3 of the grandkids tomorrow. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so much fun. They definitely keep us active. We have a 1, 2, and 3-year-old. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with them, but we're going to take them somewhere and, you know, do something fun with them. And let's see. Then, like I said, my school starts Monday, and I have a basket tutorial, like a nesting basket tutorial that I'm working on. I've just got to get it edited, and I've got to get the last basket made, and that one's done. So I have that, and let's see. Oh, and then I've got to make a basket for Charlie's little monster man. and Charlie's little, the matching blanket that goes with it. So, yeah, I'm really enjoying this scarf, and I'm just so excited. I'm going to work really hard and really fast on this and get this out to you guys, because I know you probably want to start working on your Christmas gifts, and this, I think, is a great idea for a Christmas gift. Just come up with your colors, that you want to use, your color schemes, and just go with it. Let's see. I guess that's really all that's going on. We have a lot of events going on at the church. Next week I have a ladies' luncheon that I'm putting on at our local Cantina Katrina place, and that's going to be a lot of fun. Oh yeah, I was in Dallas last week. We went ahead and celebrated our 1-year anniversary early. Our anniversary is on the 26th of this month, but we went ahead and celebrated it earlier because his oldest son and his wife are expecting a child. Supposed to be September the 3rd, but they're saying that the baby could possibly come early. And since our anniversary is on the 26th, that would have put us out of town. And so we just went ahead and took an early anniversary trip. And so that way we wouldn't miss the birth of the baby. It's going to be a little girl. And so we're excited about that. And let's see, so we had that going on. So if you missed me last week, guys, that's where I was. I was in Dallas, Texas. It was a lot of fun. I got to do a lot of shopping, and I went to Nordstrom Rack. I've never been there before, and oh my gosh, I was in love with that place. And oh yeah, and his youngest son is getting married in September, and so I've been working on trying to get my dress and my shoes, all that stuff purchased, and trying to find deals to do that with, trying to get a good dress and good shoes and stuff like that at a good price. I've been working hard on doing that. So anyway, so I've just really been busy, just like all of you guys have been, and still doing my crochet work, trying to keep that up, which I love. And so next week, my deal is I want to try to get this tutorial up and out for you guys. And so testers, be sure and look for an email from me. And then I still am working on that doll outfit, and I feel so bad. I mean, it's been months since I last told you guys I was working on a doll outfit, but I am going to get hard on that next week as well, because this will be out. This will be done this week, but the tutorial will go out next week. And so I'll be working on the doll outfit next week, and the nesting baskets, and a basket for the blanket and the monster guy. So yeah, that's what I've got going on. Let's go ahead and see about reading a daily devotion. How's that? Oh good, the lighting is good here. I don't have to put my specs on. It says, loving your way through the day. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. That's Proverbs 15, verse 1. Harsh words are like boomerangs. They tend to come back to you, and they can really hurt. The barbs not only harm the recipient, but they damage the sender too. Yes, there might be an initial thrill of conquest and pride in that clever and perfect comeback, but later those words will settle into your spirit in a way that isn't so perfect. In fact, far from it. It's a lose situation all the way around. So just when we feel like flinging out some barbed comments, can we instead try to say something kind? Not flattery, not untruths, but words that show understanding and compassion, rather than the I am going to set you straight, since I am the knower of all things comment, or I'm going to give you what you deserve judgment. The new approach will not only put smiles on people's faces, but in the end, it will put a big one in your heart. With what an experience, an easier walk through this life. Want to experience an easier walk through this life? Use Proverbs 15:1 as one of your life verses. Lord, show me how to love my way through the day with gentle answers. Amen. Oh, that's good. I love that. I hope that has helped you guys like it has helped me. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I just wanted to come on here and crochet chat and let you be aware of the newest project that is coming out. It will be out next week. I'm so excited. And yeah, that's all that I have. So just remember to crochet, live life, and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.